Hello everyone and welcome to today's session. So today's session we'll be discussing about a template which is Dynamics 365 CRM to Xero integration. In today's session we'll learn how to use the Dynamics 365 CRM to Xero integration template in DBSync Cloud Workflow. So before we start, let's discuss about introduction about what are the different objects that are supported in both Dynamics 365 CRM as well as Xero. So Dynamics 365 CRM to Xero integration provides a robust and easy to use solution for synchronizing your financial and operational data between Dynamics 365 to Xero. It supports multiple object mappings. When it comes to Dynamics 365 CRM, we support objects such as accounts, products, sales order, codes, and payments. On the Xero side, we support objects such as customers, items, invoice and invoice line items, sales quote and sales quote line items, and invoice payments. In addition to real-time synchronization, DBSync also supports migration of historical accounts receivable data from Xero to Dynamics 365 CRM, making it useful for data consolidation. The integration comes equipped with pre-built field-to-field mappings. It also provides flexibility to accommodate complex dynamic mapping requirements based on the business logic. So let us look at the data flow. So as I mentioned, we support multiple objects under Dynamics 365 CRM as well as Xero. So the products in Dynamics 365 CRM is mapped to items in Xero, and opportunity and opportunity line items is mapped to invoice and invoice line items or sales quote and sales quote line items in Xero. Similarly, invoice payments in Xero is mapped to Dynamics 365 CRM under invoice object. Now let's look at a real-time template and how do we run it. So once you log in to your cloud workflow, on the home page you will see a suggested templates for you, which is Dynamics 365 CRM to Xero integration. So just click on add to project. So I give it a name and click on next. So I'll be using the connectors Dynamics 365 CRM and Xero to continue with this project. So once I click on continue, the system will populate the particular template up for me. So let's give it some time before we can start working on our and configuring our template. So as you can see, a project is created. So we have already given a name to our project, which is Dynamics 365 CRM to Xero underscore demo. So under the agent, we already have integration part selected, and now I click on setup. So once I click on setup, the setup page with different tabs such as connect, setup, run, and schedule will pop up. So it asks to connect both these sources, which is Xero and Dynamics 365 CRM. So let me try connecting to Xero. Let me put in my email ID and password and log into Xero. So I am allowing access. So as you can see, I have already connected to my Xero account. So let me try testing connection. So it's successful. Now let's go to Dynamics 365 CRM. So I'm already connected to it. Let me try connecting to it once again. So I'm logging into my account. So as you can see, I have connected both my sources, which is Xero and Dynamics 365 CRM, and let me test the connection. So the connection is successful. Click on OK. I click on the next button. Now, as you can see in the setup, all these fields are auto populated. So this is a form that you are able to see. So as I was mentioning, so there are different objects under Dynamics 365 CRM which are mapped to corresponding objects in Xero, right? So the first is, do you want to create or update your customers in Xero, right? So the object that we are selecting from Dynamics 365 to integrate with Xero is accounts. So these are the integration ID, Dynamics 365 customer ID, customer name, customer first name, last name, email ID. All these different fields are kind of auto mapped, right? Now coming to the next object, which is products. So it asks, do you want to integrate or update Dynamics 365 products in Xero? So when we say yes, so it automatically populates all the different corresponding line items to be mapped from Dynamics 365 CRM to the corresponding fields in Xero. Similarly, the next is about integrating new transactions to Xero. So the object that will be used from Dynamics 365 CRM will be invoices. So that is mapped to corresponding objects and corresponding fields in Xero. Similarly, we will also be integrating new transaction lines to Xero, which will be the object invoice details under Dynamics 365 CRM. Similarly, since it's a bidirectional sync, so from Xero to Dynamics 365 receivables, we will also be creating a transaction receivables. And the what kind of transaction receivable? It is invoice, and this will be mapped to opportunities object under Dynamics 365 CRM. So now most of these fields are auto generated, auto populated, and it is pre-filled. So just click on next. So our template is all ready to run. So before we run, there is another option of schedule. So instead of running it right now, I can also maybe schedule it to run at a specific time interval, and I can also set to repeats, like after how many hours do I want to. For example, I want to repeat this thing after 2 hours, so I can do it and schedule it from here and then click on finish. So right now I'll run it at this particular moment. So as I click on run, it starts, the console gets started, and these are all the different logs that you can see. It is the template is processing the different objects, the different fields that are mapped to the corresponding fields from Dynamics 365 CRM to Xero, and it is mapping those different fields and updating data. So As you can see, it has completed running. So this was the demo for Dynamics 365 CRM to Xero templates. Thank you.